There once lived a great warrior called Prince Ram. He had a beautiful wife named Sita. One day Ram and Sita were banished from their home by the king. So they went to live in the forest with Ram's brother, Lakshman. A terrible demon king named Ravana lived nearby. He had 10 heads and 20 arms and was feared throughout the land. One day, Ravana kidnapped Sita and took her away in his flying chariot. Clever Sita left a trail of jewelry behind for Rama to follow. Ram and Lakshman followed the trail of glittering jewelry until they met Hanuman, the Monkey King, who became their friend and agreed to help find Sita. Messages were sent worldwide to all the monkeys to help find Sita. After a very long search, Hanuman found Sita imprisoned on Ravana's island. But the army of monkeys couldn't reach the island, so they began to build a bridge. Soon all the animals of the world, large and small, came to help. When the bridge was built, the monkeys and Rama rushed across and fought a mighty battle. Rama killed the evil Ravana with an arrow, and the whole world rejoiced. Rama and Sita were reunited and they began the long journey back to their land. Everybody in the village lit lamps to guide them on the way and to welcome them back. Do you know, Hindus light lamps at Diwali to remember that light triumphs over dark and good triumphs over evil. Let's see how much of the story you can remember. Can you remember the name of the prince? That's right, his name was Ram. I wonder if you can remember Ram's wife. That's right, her name was Sita. I wonder, can you remember the name of the Monkey King? That's right, his name was Hanuman. Can you remember how many heads the evil King Ravana had? That's right, he had 10. What did Ravana carry Sita away in? Yes, his flying chariot. And that was the story of Diwali.